In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use American Express at Costco. The most important thing to know right from the start is that whether you can use American Express at Costco depends on where you're shopping, because accepted payment methods vary by region. So, before you try to check out, take a moment to confirm which country's Costco store or website you're using. That one detail can save you time and confusion. If you're shopping at a Costco warehouse in the United States, the rule is very straightforward. US Costco locations accept Visa credit cards only for in-store credit card purchases. That means American Express is not accepted directly at the register for warehouse purchases. So if your plan was to pull out your Amex card and pay in-store the same way you would at other retailers, that won't work at US Costco warehouses. If you're shopping online through the US Costco website, the situation can be a little different, but you still need to review the payment methods available during checkout. Online payment options do not always match what's accepted in physical warehouse locations. Even so, American Express is generally not accepted as a direct credit card payment there either. The safest approach is to check the payment section at checkout before placing your order, especially if you're hoping to use a specific card. If you specifically want to use your American Express card for a Costco purchase, one possible workaround is to buy a Costco shop card from an authorized source that accepts American Express, if that option is available to you. Then, instead of paying Costco directly with your Amex card, you would use the shop card to complete your purchase at Costco. This can be a useful alternative, but make sure the source is legitimate and authorized before buying, since you want to avoid any issues with the balance or card validity. If that workaround isn't available in your area, or if you'd rather keep things simple, the best option is to complete your purchase using one of the payment methods Costco accepts in your region. In the US, that usually means using a Visa card for in-store credit card transactions, or selecting another accepted payment method shown at checkout online. So in short, American Express is generally not accepted directly at Costco in the United States, whether you're shopping in the warehouse or, in most cases, online. Your best next step is to verify your region, review the accepted payment methods, and if needed, use a Costco shop card or another supported payment option to finish your purchase smoothly.